hold on, let's redo it. We got...
What are we doing here, Bob?
We're heading west. Oh, sorry, east. Going to Cave Creek, Arizona. Vacation.
Pitt, what are we doing?
909.
909. We might do a stop at the old J Tree.
It's Joshua Tree.
World Eagles Oyster.
Pip, what do you think?
Pip.
What's the date today?
What is it? Saturday, July 31st. We might be closing on a house ball there too.
Got your mother in the world.
Who goes to go?
She's not sure if you're a boy or a girl. Hey babe, your hair's alright. Hey babe, let's go out tonight. You like me and I like it all. We like dancing and we look divine. You love bands when they play it hard. You want more and you want it boss. Put you down, say I'm wrong. Attack your thing, put them on. Rebel, rebel, put on your dress. Rebel, rebel, your face is a mess. Rebel, rebel, how could they know? Hot tramp, I love you so. Got your mother in a world. She's not sure if you're a boy or a girl. Hey babe, your hair's alright. Hey babe, let's stay out tonight. You like me and I
Pretty highlighted. Sure, we got some freakism yesterday with the stingray bite. We might be buying a house soon. We might be getting married soon. We might be buying 22 acres. TBD. And we're just seeing nature's miracles here. Look at this.
All these people doing it for the gram.
I mean, Dad, no, there's no absolutes in this one.
Alright, so where are we headed next?
Alright, next we're headed to the gift shop because Bob has a yellow t-shirt that is really looking fire. Then we are headed to Schoolhouse Road in the villas of Cave Creek in Cave Creek, Arizona. It's probably approximately 104 degrees today. And we're going to chill there in our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse with a pool and a personal hot tub.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it have a kitchen?
Yes.
Pots.
You know me. I research.
What else are we doing there?
We might, according to Bob, we're riding horses. We're gonna be droning. I may be hiking all by myself because I don't think anyone wants to come.
I was going to, but I...
Oh, then Stingray. You know, TBD. If there's a tennis court, maybe we'll do a couple backhands, a couple Serena and Venus Williams shots.
And Bob still hasn't found what he's looking for.
We're gonna be closing. Bob hasn't found it yet, but once we get to that gift shop, we might be able to check that one off the list. Tyler, that guy, bucket truck. Remember every time Michael saw one, he'd be like, Pat, what did he own, a bucket truck company or something?
Sold them.
Oh, he sold them.
He leased them. They're like electric companies and stuff. Went
Oh.
out to Pittsburgh.
Mountain climbing, that is so weird.
Rebel, rebel. Face is a mess.
He's riffing. Everyone, what's going down?
I don't know on that one yet. I had to call in the big guns. We'll see what Mo says. So now I'm getting this one set up because I know it'll work, so I can get up there before I lose my mind.
Alright.
That's what's happening.
Eating breakfast. Good morning.
Hi, baby. Alright.
Oh wait, are you in the...
And I lost it. What was that, babe? Inaugural one.
Scares the shit out of me. Is this PG?
Oh, are you landing? Come here, Pip. Dad, get her.
Peppy,
Pippa.
Peppy, come.
Dad, get her.
Peppa, come.
Good girl. Pip.
Go, girl. That's a good landing spot. Landing pad.
Perfect.
What is it, Bibs?
All right.
How was it, Bibs?
It was good. A lot of dead spots because of where we're positioned, but we're recording. Well, it's great. You know, a lot of dead spots because we're recording, but you know, we'll get some better footage elsewhere. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Goodbye.
Dad, what are we doing here?
We're going out. We're going to explore and get a feel for Cave Creek town.
TT?
Bob said it best.
It looks hopping right up the road here where we were last night for some grub. Look at a buffalo over there.
Whoa, look at that.
Let's just keep looking at everything. Dude,
Let's look at it.
but we're gonna go watch the Master Chef.
Tell us about this, Top Chef.
Grilling food.
What do we got going?
Skewers, burgers, and then veggie skewers.
What's your secret?
Patience, you know.
Love of cooking.
Patience.
What do we got? Is this supposed to happen? Quick question. Quick question. Is this on purpose?
Yeah, part of the process.
Bip, what are your thoughts?
Wait, what are we gonna go in here?
I mean, I honestly didn't know the answer.
Are these skewers regulation size or what?
Oh, is that what's
What's the time on the flames? With like 20-minute simmer, 10-second flame, or what?
We got something going on here. Oh my god. It's because all these amateurs are over here just clogging down
They
the
left their
bottoms with
stuff.
all these combustibles.
Yeah, they left their stuff
They left all the
behind.
combustibles. Can't trust anyone.
I don't trust like that.
Can't trust anyone around here.
We just got to the Black Mountain Trailhead. We're already out of breath and we didn't start yet, but we're about to do a 2.2 miler.
I just wanted to point something out over here real quick. This is a steep, rocky, primitive trail. And I'll be over here. I'm good.
All right. We'll see you on the way back.
Look at that little water.
Did you say Bob's speed or Godspeed?
Both. Nature's miracles. Dad, if you get thirsty while you're sitting here, just nature's miracles. Cut. It's hot, guys. See?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's on.
It's hot.
Super primitive.
We're only going a mile.
1.1, dude. Don't shortchange us.
1.1. We got these bags on.
It took us 0.34 miles to get here.
Got a droner jam bag. So we can get.
I got about 3 liters of water. Probably could be out here for days.
Yeah, we're gonna go survivor mode.
Someone died the other day though, so rest in peace.
Actually, you know what?
I don't want to be that close up and you can't see the mountains.
See if you can put the tripod on it and do slow-mo. Got the beep going. Erica's leading the way. She's a little bit quick.
Right here, I found it! I know, she'd be so tired tonight. It's okay, Bob.
Oh, he's like trying to figure out this whole scene thing.
I know.
She's on. She's on.
Is she swimming?
Good girl! Good girl, baby! Alright, thoughts on Pip's first swim?
Beautiful. She nailed it. Yep. Day 6.
We're going to the Buffalo Chip Salon. This is a terrible video.
And it looks like just another big ass saloon with a dance floor. And they got shirts in there for sale that say I love pig butt and I cannot lie. That's what I found out.
So what's your recommendation?
Move on. See what's up. Hey, the ambiance is nice, but all the Steelers shit sucks. I'm not big on the ambiance, but they have shuffleboard,
Oh, I love
which
shuffleboard.
would be fun.
What's wrong with the ambiance?
2 bikers for me.
Dad, what are you going to order?
Oh man, this baked French. Whenever I see French onion soup, it's hard to just not say I want
Oh,
it.
you love that. Get some.
Should I?
He loves French onion soup.
I was initially just going to go fish and chips.
Thank you.
You're also aware sellers have already been paid, to my knowledge. Agents have already been paid. You guys are official. As soon as the wire got there today, which was like new. So,
Awesome.
yeah, we're all good. Nothing to worry about. Cindy called me. She was a little.
I think it just pops it open.
What, right on the spot?
I don't know. You got to keep it far away. It'll work.
Just this car. Actually, look. It's bringing it out a little.
I think it works.
Yeah, but what about here? What about
Just try
here?
it. I know it's too much.
And here's a
Wait,
hole.
you should have started with the one that wasn't so bad.
I thought that was the one that wasn't so bad. This one's got a crease in it. This one's already slick.
Shit. Pippa, drop it. Pip, drop. Oh, Dad. Drop. Oh my God. Just take it. Put that one on the outside.
You just want me to put them in there and leave.
Yeah, we'll be here. Pip.
It's alright if you love me. It's alright if you don't. I'm not afraid of you running away, honey. I get the feeling you owe. There is no sense in pretending. Your eyes give you away. Something inside you is feeling like I do. We said all there is to say. Baby, break down. Go ahead, give it to me. Break down and take me through the night. Break down.
You like it still?
It's all right.
Yeah. Hey, Bob.
See ya. Love you guys.
Love you.
Bye, Bob.
We're gonna go. Is that alright?
Can't hear you.
Said we're leaving.
Is that okay?
Yeah. See ya. See you, Dippy.
I don't know what we're doing. No idea.
I'm about to go tinkle on my bankles. And we're getting every red light you possibly could here in this little desert town.
We needed Ray Willie there. Saving.
It's all right.
Tyler, it's in video mode.
It's all right.
Oh my God, classic mistake. So Tyler's the video meister master, and I said the only thing I can take credit for is being the starring talent. I get us from A to B while he documents A to B. Cut.
There you go. I'll use that word. Cut. Hey. Joshua Tree next.
Right when I heard it, I was like, that's like a guitar thing. That's my boy Jimmy.
You mind? And I still haven't found what I'm looking for. That was terrible.
That's good.
It's disgusting.